Sumagot talaga yung kanina pumasok kami sa room. Oh my God. Again, sobrang overwhelmed po kami lahat and thankful and blessed. Kasi, ano po, we all have diba? Nagkita yung apat. So, syempre, exciting talaga to be able to work with these talented season actors.
Yes, sobrang nakaka-excite kasi nagsama-sama yung gusto namin gawin, which is acting, dancing, performing. So yeah,
Very
sobrang
happy.
Oo, bago din to. I hope na magustuhan niyo po.
Yes.
And marami po kaming inanda para sa inyo.
Nakaka-pressure.
Pero we'll do our best. It's a good pressure.
Yeah, kasi we're gonna learn a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna learn a lot. And by the end of this, we know now. Because we are working with like the biggest, most in-demand actors. It's real ba din, no? Kasi parang pinapanood namin sila dati sa iyo.
Sumagot talaga yung kanina pumasok kami sa room.
Oh my God! Sila pa din yung kasama natin. Tsaka exciting din po kasi may assurance na when we work together, there will be a give and take. We learn from them and they also learn from us. So parang exciting po yung mga mangyayari.
And most of us po parang we already work together na. And friends ito, marami nila. So, ayun na yung bond. And mas we'll go deeper pa ngayon sabi ni Zeph pagdating na sa set.